Are you looking for a reliable home internet and wondering if AT&T is worth it? Let's break down the pros, cons, and what real users are saying about AT&T's home internet. AT&T offers fiber and DSL plans depending on where you live. If you're in a fiber zone, you get blazing fast speeds up to 5 gigs. If not, you're likely stuck with DSL, which caps out much lower and can feel outdated. Fiber is the big win here. It's fast, consistent, and has low latency. Perfect for streaming, gaming, and working from home. There are also no annual contracts, which gives you flexibility. And they include equipment in the price, no hidden rental fees. Customer service has improved in recent years too, especially on the fiber side. Availability is the catch. Fiber is still expanding, but it's not everywhere. If you're on DSL, you're looking at lower speeds and outdated infrastructure. And while pricing is fair for fiber, it's not the cheapest option out there, especially compared to regional ISPs. On Reddit and Trustpilot, fiber customers mostly rave about performance. DSL users, not so much. If you have access to AT&T Fiber, it's one of the best home internet options available. But if you're only getting DSL, you might want to look elsewhere. Do you want a deeper dive or comparison with other ISPs? Let me know in the comments. If you're using AT&T at home, I'd love to hear how it's holding up, and I'll catch you in the next one.